Hi, my name is Anand. In this cyber forensics demonstration program, we are moving ahead to steganography and image forensics, which is this is a very important module. Okay, moving ahead, performing a steg analysis and forensics of an image file. Steg analysis is an art of discovering and rendering covert messages using steganography. Image file forensics is a process of investigating an image file to find an evidence. The objective of this lab is to find steganographic content and extract information from the image file using steg analysis and image file forensic tools. See here, these are the following tasks. Using steganographic methods to find images having a steganographic content, detecting the program used to hide the message, detecting the location of the hidden content, analyzing image file headers, reconstructing the damaged file headers, identifying image file fragments, identifying image file formats, recovering photo evidence from the raw file. Okay, the main goal and the purpose of this steganography and image file forensics is to find image with steganographic content and detect, hidden content in the digital image files. So, in a forensically sound manner, investigators need to be familiar with the name of the common steganographic softwares and related terminology with the websites about steganography. The first task is we will analyze the images used using the Stegdetect. Stegdetect is an automated tool for detecting steganographic contents in the images. It is capable of detecting several different steganographic methods to embed hidden information in images. So you can download the software, and later we will be moving ahead with the hex workshop, and later with the Adroit Photo Forensics 2011. Okay, so let me move ahead. I have already downloaded all these three. You can see here, this is the Stegdetect, and this is a hex workshop, and the other one is the photo forensics workshop. So let me move ahead with this. So here, the first one, xteg, I can run directly, no need of installation. So once you run this, see here there are the four methods of scan options which are there. Raise the sensitivity to maximum, that is 10, but choose only one option of the scan options, don't choose all. Like let me say JS tag, and let me go with opening the image files. Okay, so I will choose the image files. It is available in forensic directory itself. uh, okay, in desktop forensics, okay, in images I'll say okay. So you see here, it's trying to scan. There is something. When you see JP hide, it indicates that it has some stego content. When it is negative, nothing. It is a plain JPG file. So in this way, you can figure out from the entire folder what are all the any hidden information which is available in the JPG files which are there. Okay, that's all about this. In Xtech, I will move ahead with the next one, which is a hex workshop. Okay, here this is the tool which can be downloaded from bpsoft.com, and now I'm running this particular. I have already installed this particular file. Like hex workshop. So if you want, you can reinstall this one. I do not want to do anything since it's already available. Okay, so what I can do is hex workshop, hex editor. So here we will learn about, we will load one of the file. As I mentioned that I have some files on my image files on my forensic directory. So I will choose one of the file. I'll tell you this horse. I'll show you about this horse. Okay. So when I try to open with the paintbrush, okay, it says that it is a damaged JPEG file. It is a damaged JPEG file. It's not a valid, okay, bitmap file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to load using this hex editor. You can say open and open this horse file. Okay. We can open this horse. So now you can see the header file of this JPEG. See, this is the header. It starts here. It starts A4. I mean AB A4 DD FF 12114A. So JFIF. But this is not the original JPEG or JFIF header. So if you want to know the list of all the image file headers, what you can do is you can go to Wikipedia and search for list of file signatures. So if I say about JPEG or something, you can see this. The original header should be FF. You can see this one. This should be the original header. FFD8, FFE0, and 00. If you give this, then only this recognizes as JPEG header. For all the list of the other headers, you can please go through this particular one and also remember this particular header. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will change this header. I will change this header. So the first four characters, FF, D8, okay, and E0 and 00, 0010. So 00 and 10. I'm going to change this value to 10. So this will be the actual, and remaining JFIF remaining the same. So I'm going to save this file, save. So it will ask a warning, would you like to make a backup? Yes, I want to make. So once you see this file in this location, you can even see this horse and horse at back also has been. So now let me try with open with paintbrush. See this, you can see this beautiful horse. Okay, so in this way you can open this old file. If you try to open with it will not, because the header is damaged. Header is damaged. In this way you can make use this hex workshop. So but before that, please try to understand the header files of all these things. Okay, so that's all about this in analyzing imaging file headers using this hex workshop. So the third one, recovering photo evidence from raw file, Adroit Photo Forensics 2011. So this is mainly designed for professional evidence recovery. It uses smart carving and guided carving technologies for complete recovery of photo evidence. You can download using the following link, vrecoverydata.com. Okay, so this is the recovery. You can download a demo version. So I have already downloaded the demo version in this particular forensics and installed this Adroit Photo Forensics. I'll just run this particular program. So the icon is already there. Just run this. If you want, you can update later. I can say I can update later. So just say this is an unregistered version. So here the case ID is, I can give 301 or something like this, and you can give your examiner name, whatever you want. Examiner name is okay. City, state, country, or whatever it is you can give, and your email ID. Okay, and save this. Save here, and the data is shown here. This is about the examiner. Case name, I can say investigation or something like that. The name of the case. The path, if you want, you can store in your, the files. Okay, in a temp I can store. So the comments which are there. Now the most important one, the image file. The backed up image, which is here I'm using this test raw image.dd. In this we have all the content of images, etc., various type of files which are there. So now before I start my analysis, I can go ahead with the options to view the options. Most of them are default. You can see this active and deleted recovery. Use this, all these things are default one. Embedded recovery, integrity and hashing, generate MD5 hashes for each photograph. So this will be stored in the report. Photo formats, more or less all of them are selected. Smart filters and category filters, and say OK. Now the most important one is this analyze. So it will start carving. So you see this one. This is the image. I mean disk image, raw image. The scanning options. It's trying to analyze the complete, and it can be a photograph. It can be anything. Data mostly for the photographs. Once the analysis is done, we can view the information. Okay, so now you see this, all the pictures have been aligned. Now you can see, if you want, you can chart out a type of pictures which you want, or maybe JPG pictures, or maybe all formats. If you want to see the image, yes, you can view the particular image in full screen, and also see the information of the image. You can see when it is created, modified, accessed, okay, the resolution, and of course the size. Okay, I can again switch back to the previous view. Okay, I can select all the files. And then I can see the statistics also. View the recovery counts. View recovery counts. You can see this. These are the active photographs 348, sequentially carved photographs 449, and embedded photographs are 807. Okay, and this one is also there a report generation. I can select all the pictures, and then I can store in a single all photographs or active or carved one, whatever the things. If I want active and valid, I can select this and then create a generate report. So it's trying to generate the report. More the content, more the time. Later you can even view on the browser. So this is very important. For the cyber forensics, we need to have a valid report. Okay, this is the report, case information. Okay, analysis options, examiner information, evidence information, and of course recovery statistics of the particular raw image which we have used, the DD file, active and valid. This is how the case report should be. So each and every file has a information about the attributes and about all the information. Even you can see this. Since this is a demo version, you are unable to view this hash. Otherwise, you can see the hash values also. Okay. So this is about the active and valid details, and this is the information of all the evidence which has been collected across. Okay. So that's all about this Adroit Photo Forensics. Thank you. Bye.